GoPro Hero 12. This is Hero 12 Black, the most featured pack hero ever. The new HDR video brings your footage to life like never before, in brilliant 5.3K and 4K resolutions. Hero 12 Black power management has been re-engineered from the ground up to deliver up to 2 times longer continuous recording. Capture unmatched detail and image quality with full frame 5.3K at 60 fps. Slow things way down in stunning 4K at 120 fps and at 2.7K at 240 fps. The Hero 12 Black tall 8:7 sensor delivers an ultra immersive, extra large field of view, allowing you to capture stunning 27 megapixel photos and extract 24.7 megapixel frame grab from your video. Hyper Smooth 6.0 takes our Emmy-winning video stabilization to the next level, analyzing 4x the real-time data for the impossibly smooth video. The improved auto boost ensures you get the widest shot with the highest level of stabilization. Select horizon lock to keep your video level even when the camera rotates the full 360 degrees. Go from horizontal widescreen to vertical capture without rotating the camera. Choose widescreen for traditional playback, vertical for social media, or capture in full frame and decide later in the quick app for maximum versatility. With Bluetooth audio support, connect your favorite Bluetooth earbuds or wireless mics for video narration. Give voice commands remotely and hear camera alerts through your earbuds. Don't be afraid to dive into adventures. Hero 12 is waterproof down to 33 feet without a housing and built tough to withstand the most extreme environments. Let's not forget, you can create stunning time-lapse video day or night straight out of the camera. No post-processing needed. Rest easy with a 2-year warranty, which includes 1 year of international coverage and 1 year of local distributor warranty. Hero 12 comes in 2 variants, the Hero 12 Black and the Hero 12 Creator Edition, both equipped with the Enduro battery inside. Now let's see what's included in the box. Hero 12 Black delivers a platform for endless creativity with best-in-class resolutions, industry-leading technology, and pro features. Grab yours today on Amazon.